Hello guys, in this video I will be talking about the 7 elements of design. Okay. I'm going to start with space. Space is the empty area around a design which includes the white space, negative space, and positive space. And 3D space is referring to height, width, and depth. So these are two examples here about the white space, negative space, and the positive space. Listen to Next is line. A line is a continuous mark in a surface by 2 points connected together. The line may be straight, angular, or curvy, thick or thin, continuous, or interrupted. So this is one of the examples that I got from my previous art class. The lines, they curved, they're long and short, thick or thin, vertical, diagonal, wavy and curly. Shape. In visual communication and graphic design, a shape is a circle, triangle, or rectangle, which could be organic shapes too. So there's another example in my other previous class. We have shapes right here, circle, triangle, just regular shapes. And then over here we have organic shapes, which could be a leaf, a tree, a cloud. Those are shapes too. Could be shapes too. This one is size and scale. It is a comparison of an object's size to its environment or another object. The size is important for composing layouts. So the size pretty much tells you what it's trying to say. A small human in a big building, be a little building. Color is a color theory which are the primary colors of red, yellow, and blue. These are used to create the other colors. These are the primary colors right here, blue, yellow, red, which create all the other ones. The other ones cannot create them. And texture is the way something feels, and in design it could be an illusion of 3D texture, depth, and dimension on screen or paper. So in screen, you can pretty much tell when something is rough, or something is bumpy. When you see a picture of wood, you know it's going to be rough. The last one is value. Value refers to tones of light and dark, and between white and black, there are shades of gray. That is another example right here that I got from my previous class. Right here it tells you it's going from dark to light. So right here we see shades of gray. In between, you also see it with coloring. Here, the shades, the different examples. Thank you.